How to get verified on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get meta verified or verified on Facebook after the latest update. Now the process is quite simple and easy. However, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now once you update it to the latest version, you want to open up your Facebook application. You should get an interface like this. Now the second thing what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen below the messenger icon, and here you want to tap on settings icon. Once on settings, here you'll get an interface like this. Scroll down until you find the option Meta Account Center. You might find this at the top or at the bottom depending on your device. Tap on it and open up the Accounts Meta Center, and here under account settings you'll get the option Meta Verified, as you can see on screen. Simply tap on it, and here you can see Build Trust with Meta. Now you'll get an verified badge. You can see your audience can trust that you are a real person. Increased account protection and various other options. You want to tap on next. Now here you want to choose your sign up with this profile, your Facebook profile, and you'll be billed $7.99 per month. As you can see, you'll get a verified badge, increased account protection, support when you need it, and unique stickers. Simply tap on pay to get benefits, and it'll ask you for payment methods. You'll have to add in your payment methods and you'll be able to get verified. So this way you can get verified on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.